What's going on, everyone? Carlos here, Disney World Freak. This year we had the privilege of staying on a DVC property. We're here at Old Key West. We stood in the studio. I want to give you now a room tour of this studio that we stood at. Here we are, just walking in the door. First thing you get is a very spacious room compared to any regular Disney resort room like a Pop Century or a Port Orleans Riverside. Queen size beds with a lot of space down below for luggage. That's where we kept ours. You can see the beds are a little messy. This is actually checkout day that I am filming this, so a little messy, but you got your regular nightstand here with this 1980s style phone. A couple of plugs here with a couple of USB plugs. That's one issue I have with this room. Not enough USB. That's the only 2 USB plugs in this resort room. So I didn't like that. I didn't like that feature. Pop had a lot more. You got a couple of lights above the headboards. Nice Mickey portrait there on the sand. You pan over this way, you got your little table. Enough, you know, have a little snack or something. A couple of chairs. This door leads over to the lock off to the 1 bedroom, so this could turn into a 2-bedroom suite. You got your waste cans down below, your recycled cans. If you pan over this way a little more, you have your TV. Small, very small. 32-inch possibly. Might even be smaller than that, but very small compared to all the other resorts. Didn't like that either. A couple of plugs behind it. A couple of drawers here for your clothing. Again, tight, not much space. But the room itself, we had, again, luggage under the bed. We had a lot of luggage. Michaela had a lot of stuff piled on the side of the bed. This right here, if you go on my social media page, you will see photos of it. This was all our bags from merch and shopping. It was here. And we still have plenty of room. It's a great size room. If you pan this way, leads you into your little kitchenette. You got your little sink, a toaster, so we don't have to be like Steve's World and go buy one every time. Coffee maker, which we used a lot. Love having that in this room. Got your microwave. Came in handy because, again, Ethan, with a picky eater, you can bring some stuff from home, some mac and cheese, some SpaghettiOs, whatever, and warm up your leftovers from your table service restaurants. Got your cabinet here. Got your waste bin. You got some extra paper towels. You got your fridge. Good size fridge. And I got to throw that out. Got a couple of things still in here. Good size fridge with a freezer section, which is nice. That comes in handy. You can see that this resort's old. I mean, this is very worn out. Bathroom, good sized bathroom. You have your toilet. You have your tub shower combination here. I will pull back. But great shower head. I will give them that. Best shower head I've seen on Disney property. Very strong. You got your Disney soaps and body wash and conditioner. Towel racks behind the door. Good size vanity here. Not the size of something like a value resort, but still very good size. I don't like is this. I like about all the other, not all of them, but yeah, pretty much all of them, where the vanity is separate from the toilet. So if somebody needs to use the bathroom, somebody can be getting ready. Here you can't. It's all in one room. So that I didn't like about this resort, but it is what it is. This is my favorite part, of course. I love the balcony. Sat out here many mornings doing my coffee talk and many nights after we came back just to relax. This was our view. We had a view of the road here. We also had a roof view, but we didn't look this way that much. We kept looking that way. You had a little pond view. Palm tree right in front of you. That's, you know, this was magnificent at night. or early morning. Great view here. Loved it. You have your shades here that you can pull down, block some of the sunlight while you're in here. But these were a little annoying to pull up and down. Yeah, a little annoying, but still nice to have. And that was it. This is a studio at Old Key West. Ceiling fan, forgot to mention that. Yeah, your ceiling fan. So a studio at Old Key West. I highly recommend it. If you can, if you have the DVC points for it, you just want to get away. Or if you do like I did, you can, again, not a sponsor, David's DVC rental or DVC rental store. Reach out to them, see what they have available, because you can get a room like this for the price of a value resort, and that's what I did. That's why I jumped on this. Yeah. Hope you guys liked this tour. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If not, no big deal. That's what the other thumb there is for. If you are new here, consider subscribing. We do Disney content every Tuesday at 4 p.m. from our studio. Stream live from Disney parks when we are here on family vacations and solo trips that I take throughout the year. So, hope to see you guys around. Leave a comment below. I appreciate it. Love the interaction. Thanks, guys.